When I saw this video on the live stream, I was like, whoa, what is going on here? What we have is a motorcycle rider going a little too fast in a group ride. Let me guess, a little bit of ego maybe. Either way, went a little bit too wide and a car was coming. Thankfully, it was just a close call and it wasn't the biggest of deals. We're also going to be talking about a very good cop interaction. I love this cop. He did a great job, and so did the rider. So let's go ahead and talk about it and get to class. All right, here we go. Aprilia. Strong winds are blowing on this side. Look out. Okay. Really low. Oh, he's getting some good body position. Oh, a little too much. Oh, check your pantalones on that one.
I f***ed up there big time.
Huh?
I f***ed up there.
You caught up?
I f***ed up.
You almost crashed?
Not almost crashed. No, not really. It's just I was in the turn and the wind hit me. So it sinked me in. So I literally crossed right in the middle. And then I saw the truck coming up. I'm like, let me try pass on the left or on the right. But it was far enough for me to come back. But like, holy shit. I didn't expect that.
Ooh,
Yeah.
Did you get it on GoPro?
On both of them, yeah.
He just did his own after action review. That's what that was. Here's the thing, he committed to it and he got himself out of it. So he did his own after action review. Oscar Merlos, thank you for the 5. Since he did his own after action review, hopefully he's going to learn from that and realize it, Martin. And he's going to hopefully realize it. So here's the thing, we're going to get up in here. So he's saying that there's high winds. So that is going to be one factor, Hermanson, with the knock 50. Thank you so much. Strong winds is going to be the situation here. All right, so we just saw him go super wide on this turn just mere seconds ago. And now we're going to get over here, and we're going about, it said 90, we're going 80. We're doing pretty high speeds, and it said about 50 at the end. I don't think that's even what this is. It's probably about 40, 35. So we're going a little fast, like that. So the thing is, we need to slow it down just a little bit, or have the skill like they have. They have a lot of skill in here, but here's the thing: we might be going a little bit too much outside our skill. So when we go outside our skill, we tend to do things that are not good. Like this, we went a little bit too outside our skill. We went a little bit wide, and the problem is we're doing it inside of a public road. Okay, if we do it on a track, this part right here would be a runoff or just even a bigger wide area, and there's not going to be any oncoming traffic. So here's the one thing I think was really good from this rider, is that he didn't panic brake, he didn't panic and go into the wall, he didn't stand it up. He actually committed because he knew that he had to, or he was going to crash and possibly get severely injured. Now the problem is we have this big boy right here. We have this big truck in the way. Thankfully, that person is a smart driver, situationally aware, and utilized good progressive brake pressure and moved a little bit out of the way. So they planned their own ride and moved off to the side. You can see that how they moved off to the side right here. Now, we were thankfully able to get back into our own lane, because if not, could have been bad. Thankfully, that person had the room to move over. So very lucky. Whew. Might have to switch alerts from Streamlabs to somewhere else.
Huh?
I f***ed up there.
You caught up?
I f***ed up.
Let's double check real quick. Is it still making noise? Did it play through? All right, we're back on. Woo! Guys, if you want to become a patron, click that link in the chat, and it will pop up now, since I turned it back on. All right.
You almost crashed?
Not almost crashed. No, not really. It's just
This is an after-action review right here.
Hit me. So it sinked me in. So I literally crossed right in the middle, and then I saw the truck coming up. I'm like, let me try pass on the left or on the right. But it was far enough for me to come back. But like, holy shit, that was like, I didn't expect that. Woo.
By the way, the first place person for February just got their gift card. Second place got their gift card. We're waiting on third place a little bit. So those are all sent out, everybody. So if you want to enter the $800 Revzilla gift card giveaway, click that link in the Chitty Chat chat.
Yeah.
Did you get it on GoPro?
On both of them, yeah.
Steal Your Skin. I don't have a discount code for Revzilla, but I do have an affiliate link in the description. No extra cost to you. It helps us out quite a bit. All right, we're moving over here. Uh-oh, police. Policia. All right, here we go. What was the issue? Were we speeding?
There is, oh, there's a copper behind me. Am I?
Don't run.
There's a copper.
Don't run.
Is he gonna turn on his lights? Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Oh yeah.
All right, you got pulled over. Did a good job. He's pulling over.
There goes
Very
that,
good.
yeah.
Pull off into a safe area if you can. This is a turn lane. It's kind of
man.
dangerous, but you do you. I like having my phone on my bike just like that for GPS.
St. Cloud Police Department. The reason I'm stopping you is that when you pass me, you're doing 70, okay? It's a 50 through here. You see your driver license, registration, and insurance.
Absolutely. Can I get off
There
the
it
bike?
is.
Can I get off the bike?
Yeah, absolutely. Here's this.
20.
Very respectful.
R1 or 6?
Second? R1.
That pipe looks nice though, man.
Thank you, thank you.
Nice,
It's funny because this came from the UK, and when I bought it, I was like, "Oh,
Don't
that's
give-
not bad. 849."
Don't give too much because it might not be E EPA.
Didn't realize it. I said no, and I saw my account clear for so much money. I was like, "No, that sucks."
The conversion will get you.
If you're respectful, this is typically how people act.
Mindful, okay?
Oh, thank you, man. I appreciate it, bro.
Get out of here, man.
Hopefully, this is the.
Do that.
Yeah.
You're good, brother. Just hang tight for a second.
Okay. Thank you.
If you're respectful, typically this is how interactions go. If you run, you're not going to get this.
All right, brother, you're good. One more thing, man. In Florida, that's a $1,000 fine now. I'm not sure if you know that.
What is? Oh, the plate.
Yeah, the tag being, it's got to be parallel to the ground.
Okay.
I used to tuck mine back here, so I understand. That's a clean look.
Yeah.
Florida, they made it a $1,000 fine. It's the same as popping a wheelie now.
Wow.
Do not, man.
I mean, I'm scared of Pop Willie, so I'm not doing that.
Yeah, so I'm not gonna give you any shit for it, but just understand that some officer might stop you, some deputy might stop you, man. He'll stroke you that $1,000 ticket.
Absolutely, man. I appreciate it, man. I really do. Thank you so much, man. Have a good day.
So that right there is a great interaction. Public safety, if they go into the public safety area, the main thing is that public safety. So I have a feeling this cop obviously knows his own bikes. He rides and everything. He understands that having a license plate and giving a $1,000 fine is not going to be the direction for public safety. The only reason why he pulled him over was because of that speeding. And it's more about the education. And we as motorcycle riders understand that speeding is dangerous, okay? But here's the thing, is that sometimes we get a little bit too much fun. You know, we have to be reminded. And here's the thing, if we make that legit mistake and we are the ones actually making a problem, we're not doing what we're supposed to be doing, this right here is thankfully a good reminder. He's not causing any type of financial burden. He's not doing anything bad to us. He's being very empathetic and very personable. Not necessarily an authority figure, but saying, hey, this is the rules. These are the laws. I have to enforce them, but I'm just going to let you know, and this is how it's going to happen. Now, typically what we see with motorcycle riders is that they're going to be like, F you, why you pulling me over? We're going to do this and this and this. This isn't the arena to fight that. If you ever want to fight a cop, I guess, and not necessarily fight, but if you ever want to disagree or dispute something a cop says, take it to court. Take it to court. Do it in court. Don't do it here, okay? So I like the interaction. This is exactly who I want right here. I want this cop to be the normal cops everywhere around us for motorcycle stuff. And I think a lot of it has to do education on the police side to understand motorcycle riders, and then motorcycle riders need to understand police. And if we have that understanding together, we know what we should be doing that is right and wrong. So this was a very good situation. Good job, man. Split my hand right there. Good job, Shazan Moto. Good job. Guys, if you like this kind of stuff, we do this every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel at 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time live. So make sure you check that out. But if you want to check out some other things like this video right here or this video right here, please do so. It supports the channel. Click that like button, by the way. Check into class. Anyways, I'll be seeing you around.